And I feel like a peacock in a lot of ways. You know, the camera's always on me and I'm very happy to spread my feathers out and show off and show out when I have to. Hi you guys, what's up? It's your girl Cynthia Bailey from The Real Housewives of Atlanta, and this is Precious Metals with Marie Claire. I'm going to give you guys a look at my jewelry collection so you guys can check it all out. A lot of these pieces have a lot of personal history and a lot of personal meaning. So let's jump right on in. Jewelry is important to me and it contributes to my personal style because it becomes like a part of me. Like my wedding ring and my wedding band, for example. I have this on every day. I never really take it off except to clean. It just becomes a part of your soul. Like it's just a part of who you are. I first started building my collection of watches probably when I was about 19. I got my first Cartier as a gift. I'm not gonna say from who. Not too much backstory, but let's just say he was a very bad boy and he felt really bad about something that he had did when we were dating, and he came home with a beautiful Cartier watch for me. I forgave him. He kind of started me on my Cartier journey, and I've been collecting Cartier watches ever since. I did this style Cartier watch. This is one of my favorites. This may be a Roadster, I'm not sure. Look at that, how beautiful is that? I've never seen anyone else with this exact face before. This was my third Cartier, and this is definitely the Roadster. One of my loves. Big, but it's not super oversized, and I feel like I can dress it up and dress it down, and it's just comfortable, and it's just classic. This is a Roadster as well. I don't think they make this style anymore, or at least this one specific one. It also comes with a black rubber band as well. Look how beautiful that is. It's actually a man's watch, one of my faves. I think I'll keep this one on. At this point, I guess you could say I pretty much have a collection of Cartier watches. My husband is a Rolex guy, but I'm trying to turn him into, I have nothing against Rolex, but I'm trying to turn him into a Cartier man. So for Mike's 50th birthday, I bought him this Cartier watch for his 50th. I love Rolex as well. He's definitely a Rolex man, but I'm slowly pulling him in to Cartier. Jewelry brings me joy because it just makes you feel good. Like a nice necklace, a nice ring, you know, you get to look at, you know, there's usually a story behind it, there's history behind it. This was actually my wedding ring, my first wedding ring. And it has a lot of history. It was very simple. I don't even think it fits anymore. Look, it doesn't even fit anymore because we're not a good fit. And now I hold on to it because it's a reminder. It's part of my journey. It's a part of my life. It's a part of my story. I'll never throw this away. It's amazing. Or give it away or sell it. I had these custom made for me. I got married 10-10-20. We almost canceled the wedding a million times. And we decided that this was our perfect date. And we took all the precautions that we had to take to make it happen. I have no regrets. These are my 50-cent earrings. And the reason that these are important to me is because I had a spiritual rebirth when I turned 50. And I named myself 50 Cent. Shout out to the rapper, 50 Cent. Sorry for stealing your name. Turning 50 to me was a huge milestone. I was going through a divorce. I felt happier than ever. I felt sexier than ever. I felt more beautiful than ever. And more than anything, the 50 Cent era was my time of finding my peace. This bracelet is actually just a cute little Versace bracelet my daughter Noelle got for me. It's pretty, it's simple, it's Versace, and it means a lot to me because it came from my firstborn, my one and only Noelle. This was custom made for me for my first wedding. This is by a Brazilian designer. I want to say his name is Rodrigo Altazu. I love this because it's stunning and it was handmade for me. My husband and I have these matching Cartier bracelets, and what makes them special to me, they say chill, by the way, that's our little hashtag chill, which is Sea Hill. And now that I'm married, I love it even more. This is one of the first pieces of jewelry that we ever got together. And who knew then that we would end up getting married one day? I mean, we were serious for a long time, but you just never know. So this is why these two pieces are special to me. It's because they're from my husband, and we do have matching pieces. I got this necklace from Bravo as a gift years ago. The reason it is special to me is because it came from Bravo, who I've been working with forever. I just kind of never take it off at this point. I've earned this necklace. I've worked hard for this necklace. A lot of drama came behind this necklace, so this means a lot to me. I really love to incorporate different pieces of jewelry in my personal style when I feel like I need it to feel a certain way. It definitely enhances my moods when I wear certain pieces of jewelry. I love these beaded bracelets because my sister makes them. You can wear as many as you want and just mix them up, and I like to have fun with it. I actually like to help her make them as well, but she says I'm not as good as she is, and she doesn't like to put the beads together. But anyway, love my beads. This necklace I got from a fan, and it's a peacock, and I feel like a peacock in a lot of ways. I feel like, you know, the camera's always on me, and I'm very happy to spread my feathers out and show off and show out when I have to. When I got this, I just thought, wow, this is really cool. I don't know if I've ever worn it yet, but I've always kept it, and I'm sure I will wear it. I love turquoise blue. I'm gonna rock it one of these days. This is another piece from a fan. I think it can be a bracelet or a necklace, but I love the stones. How cool is this? Like, somebody just made this for me and gave it to me. And then it came with this really cool ring as well. I've come a long way. I never thought when I received this Cartier that I could ever afford this Cartier for my husband. You know, God has blessed me. I've stayed true to who I am and true to my story and to my passion and to my journey. And God just keeps blessing me. Thank you so much for joining me for Precious Metals, and make sure you guys subscribe to Marie Claire.